Hi, welcome back to LeetCode. In this, we discuss LeetCode problem 3412. Find mirror score of a string. So we will be given a string S. So we define the mirror of a letter in the English alphabet as its corresponding letter when the alphabet is reversed. For example, the mirror of A will be Z and the mirror of Y will be B. So initially all characters in the string are unmarked. Okay, you start with a score of 0. Initially our score will be 0. So first thing is that our score is 0. Okay, and iterate through the string from left to right. At each index I, find the closest unmarked index j such that j less than I. So the j will be at the left side of the current index and sj is the mirror of the si. Then mark both indices I and j and add the value I minus j to the total score. So if no such index j exists for the index I, move on to the next index without making any changes. So return the total score at the end of the process. So first of all we have to find the how actually get the mirror. So for A the mirror is Z, for Z the mirror is A, then for B the mirror is Y, for Y the mirror is B, in this way, right? For C it will be X, for X it will be C. How actually you can get this value? So suppose our current character is A. How actually you can get the Z? So just relate this. How actually you can do this? So if I do the current character this, then so we can get the Z. Why? Z minus the current character is, this is the current character and this is the with respect to the A, actually we will check how many actually the distance. So I'll check from A to the current character how much distance it will present from A. So current character is A, so from A it is the distance is 0. So the our from right side we have to give the actually the mirror character. So from right side we will give the same distance. So from Z I have to shift the 0 distance, so that's our for A it will be Z. Similarly for B. Okay, so how much is the distance from A? From the left side it will distance is 1. So for so the mirror character it will be it will actually get from the right side from the Z actually distance. So I will subtract Z minus 1. Got it? So I will get Y. You get the logic how to get the mirror string mirror character of any character. So I will first take that whatever the current character actually I have. So what is the distance from the A? Okay, with respect to A. Then I'll get the distance here. So similarly, whenever I get the mirror character, it will get corresponding to what? From Z actually it will assign. So I will just subtract the same distance from the Z. Okay, from Z. Got it? So that's why I'm just doing this, that from Z I actually take the distance and subtract this from the Z. Okay, got it? So this is to get the mirror character of any character. Now what we have to do? We have to do the this operation from left to right. So first of what actually we'll do, our string is A C Z Z X. So our visited stack is actually empty. We have not visited any index till now, and the last index or last character it is I have seen, this is also empty. So first of all I'll just character of A. So A current character. So the mirror character will be Z. So what they actually mention, like for each index I, find the closest unmarked index J such that I less than J less than I and Sj is the mirror of the current character. So before this current index I, have I seen any character that is actually Z? No. So that's why they mention that if we don't find any this kind of mirror character, then actually we will go to the next, skip this. So our score is still 0. So next is C. So C, the mirror it will be actually X. So have I seen any X before that? No. Again go to the next, Z. So the mirror character will be A. Have I seen any A? Yes. And that is actually marked? No. That is unmarked because I have not visited that. So that's why the position is for the A last position is this is 0 and the current position is 0 1 2. So I will actually visit both of these. So I will visit the index 0 and 2 both, correct, and I will add this into the score. what will actually add 2 minus 0. Okay, now go to the next character z. So and I have already visited this for this index 0 of a. So for this again z, so the mirror character is a. Have I seen any a remaining that is unmarked? No, there is no actually character a present that is unmarked. That is, I have seen one a, but actually already visited that index. So that's why I will not do anything. Go to the next character is x. So the mirror character of x will be c. Have I seen any c? Yes, the position is this 1, and this is also unmarked also, because I have not visited 1 till now. So what I will do, I will visit all of both of these. So I will visit 1 and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0 and 4 both, and I will add what, 4 minus 1. So what will be the answer? 2 plus 3, it will be 5. You can check, the answer is 5. Got it? And then after of this there is no character, so that's why I return this score. This is clear. So this like problem statement and the solution also is very simple. How? So first of all, I need two things. One thing is that I need to check that which indices I have visited. So I will take a set or anything that actually store all the indices that actually I have already visited. Okay. One thing actually I need that for each character, what is the position I have seen? Correct? Position. Because there are multiple positions are possible. So this actually I have to store. So for this I need actually one map, because I will find that for particular one character, like I will get the mirror character. So corresponding to the mirror character, I will from this map I will check that what is the position actually I have seen this character. If it is seen in the previously, if it is not seen, then actually I do not have to do anything. I will go to the next character. It is clear. So that's why I need two things. One for the set to track that which indexes I have visited, to mark this, and we don't need also that, because if I handle this smartly in the map also. Okay, and this map actually will store that for particular character what is the position I have seen. Okay, now what I'll do, for each index I will find the mirror character, and from map I will check that it is the mirror character present in the map. If it is present, that means I have seen this character. Now I will check that. Now I will actually take the what is the last index, what is the closest. Suppose this is actually possible, that suppose we get a string a z z. Okay, so first of all I got a, so the position is 0. Again the next character is a, I have not seen any z, so I will store this into the a, that I have seen a at the position index at the index 1. Now go to the next character z. So I'll first what is the closest index, that actually mirror character is a, the closest index will be 1, because this is actually the closest to this character, this position 2. So I will store what, 2 minus 1 add into the score, and I will visit this. So if I actually modify the handle the map in the smartly, so what will do, I do not need to the visited stack also. How? So if whenever we are taking any index, I will just remove from this into the from the map. Okay, now our map contain only a, last position is 0, and z already I have taken this, so it will not be stored. And next is again z, so the mirror character is a. Is there any character present in the map? Yes, that means this is actually not visited till yet. If it is present in the map, that means that is not yet visited. Correct? So that's why that time we do not need to visited set also. Correct? You will optimize this. Otherwise what I will check, for each character for each position I will check that this position actually present in this visited set or not. If it is present, then I will go to the next character, next position available for a. So for this character, okay, there is a index 0 is present. So what I will do, I will actually pop this, and I will if it is popped from the map, that means I have already marked this. So the score will be added with 0, 1, 2, 3 minus 0. It will be 3 plus 1. It will be 4. Got it? Got it? How is it getting the 4? 2 minus 1 for this, and for this actually 3 minus 0. Got it? So that's why we have handled this. The algorithm and the steps is clear. if we smartly handle the map, that time we don't need the visited set. Otherwise we have to check that this particular index is present in the visited set or not. We just actually track that which indexes I have actually marked. Okay, and if we don't want to use that extra space, that time actually whatever the character present in the whatever actually index we are going to use, that time we will pop from the map. That time it will not present whenever we are going to check again next time. Okay, so now go to the actually code. So so this is the code. So initially our end score will be 0. Okay, and set of integer marked, and the map is storing the particular for particular character what is the position. So vector of int particular each character, vector of integer, because multiple position can be possible. So it is map. So now I am iterating from left to right. They mentioned that we have to iterate from left to right. And for what is the mirror character? Mirror will be z minus the distance of from a current character. So I will get here from the mirror character. So I'll check that in the map this particular character is present or not. If it is present, that means our size will be greater than 0. Then I will get at the end it will be store the closest index, because it will be the last index that actually I have seen. It will store the last index, latest index that actually I have seen this particular character. So from back actually I will take this the last index j, and I will pop back will pop from the back. So it will actually pop this the last index that actually I have used. I'm going to use. So this actually we can handle. So here actually we do not need to use the set here. You can check actually we are not using actually set ultimately here in the code. We just actually declare here, but we are not using this. So now we'll actually add this current value, current score I minus j into the answer variable. Okay, else if the current character I have not seen, that means what? The mirror character I have not seen, the mirror character is not present. So that time what will I will just store this the current character map of the current string si, and the position will be I, current character, whatever the actual current character, not the mirror character. I am talking about the current character, because we are not processing this. If it is if we get any mirror character, that time actually both will be removed, both will be processed. So that's why that time we are not doing anything for the current character. But if there is no mirror character, that time we have to store this current character, because that we are not processing anything. In the future it may be used. Okay, push back the current index, and at the end return answer. Got it? This is the clear. If you have any doubt, you should comment on that. If you have any suggestion, you can also suggest that also in the comment box. And if you like the experiences, please like the video. If you not yet subscribed, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.